Well, you may have heard that a new law came into effect at the beginning of July in 2024 regarding buyer agency. So what is buyer agency? Well, buyer agency is a relationship that a buyer and an agent, a real estate agent in this case, have together. And starting July 1st of this year, it is now required before an agent representing a buyer does any services in representing that buyer that a written agreement needs to be put into place. These agreements have existed for a long time, and so in that case, that's not new. But what is new is that it is now required for it to be in writing, again, before the agent acts in any sort of agency relationship or fulfills any of those roles for a client. So that obviously would mean showing a house or running comparable analysis on a property or giving any advice regarding to a buyer's situation. So if you want to go look at a home, don't expect the process to be the same as it has always been for you, and you will need to have a written agreement in place with that agent. Now, the terms of that agreement can vary broadly in terms of the specificity of it, how long that agreement lasts, how short it is it for one property, is it for numerous properties, what's the geographic location for it as well. All those terms are negotiated between you and the agent and the brokerage involved. If you have any questions about what this means, don't hesitate to reach out to me. Actually, one question we've had is about open houses. How do open houses now work? Well, actually, that doesn't change at all whatsoever. An agent hosting an open house has always been there representing the seller. So as you come through an open house, that agent is there representing the seller, not you, unless you solicit their services and ask that agent to be of help to you. Now you will need to finalize that agreement, or put it in writing before that agent can serve you any further. Again, if you have any questions, don't hesitate to reach out. Honored to be of assistance to you, help you understand what this means for you and what it looks like to purchase a property here in Indiana. Again, this is for all real estate agents, licensed real estate agents in the state of Indiana, no matter if it's commercial, residential, land. So just be aware of that. If you have any questions, let us know.